Hello everyone, how's it going? So today we are making a quick video about a challenge which I'm taking up right now. So the idea is to come up with 5 different Python projects and do them in one single day. Yes, one single day. These are not complicated, overcomplicated projects, but something that can help us in getting started with Python and making some real world applications that we can put it on our resume. So these are going to be a quick challenge, a quick one-day challenge, and in this video, I'll put down the links to the GitHub accounts. So if you're looking at this video today itself, and today is Friday, the 29th of May 2020. So look back in a day, and below this in the description, you should find the GitHub links for all these 5 challenges. And in the near future, I'm going to make a quick tutorials of all these 5 projects. So let's look into what these 5 projects are going to be. First is the URL shortener. So we'll make a small Python application along with maybe Flask and a different web server, and try to make these URL shorteners. So there are many different kinds of URL shorteners out there. TinyURL, Bitly, Google had its own. So there are different types of URL shorteners. So what you do is you go and paste your long URL link. And you might have seen, if you're using Twitter to post any links, web links, Twitter automatically reduces your web link to a character size of 23 only. So they try to do that so that you can use the Twitter real estate properly. Same thing we're going to be using, where someone can come and post their URL link, and the software will give them a shortened link which they can use, and it'll do nothing but redirect them when someone clicks on that shortened link. So we'll build a URL shortener. We will be building a web crawler. So web crawler is an application that can read through the HTML code behind the web page, and you can extract information which you are looking for. So a simple example would be something where you are scraping through Amazon or Google, or let's go with Amazon, and you're scraping through Amazon prices, and you're interested in a particular product, and you want to find out if the price is going up or down, so it can keep a track of those prices. And when the price is right at that point where it's cheap enough to buy the product, you get a notification and you just go ahead and buy the product. So we'll build a simple web crawler with that aspect. The next would be an AI chatbot. So this is going to be using a markup language or AI machine learning in order to develop a simple chatbot which can communicate with the user. So it can understand and take names and talk to a person as though there was a real human being behind. It may not be a very crisp in terms of machine learning, but we'll get the things rolling, so then we'll build upon it later on. So that's going to be our next. And then a simple Python game. So there are different types of Python games. If you go up and look up on YouTube or Google, you will come up with different types of games which people have developed. You use different types of libraries like Pygame, Tkinter, and people have made games like the Hangman, the Tic-Tac-Toe, a random generator. So there are different types of Python games which people have already tried, and we will come up with something for ourselves, simple and easy to follow, but yet challenging. So the idea is not to keep things very simple, but not too complicated as well, but at the same time reasonable enough to put it on a resume, so that we can, when we present it to the interviewer or someone who's looking for to hire us, they do look at those applications and see that there is some content behind it, and it gives an idea of what kind of skills you have. So this will be a good portfolio to show it to them. And then we come to the last project, which is nothing but Twitter automation, where we will make a API, a simple Python application that will link with our Twitter account, and then you can post tweets automatically through this Python application. So we'll make a Twitter automation program that can help us do that. So with this will come up, I think that's the end of the 5 projects which we have here planned out. So these are the 5 projects that we're going to be attempting in one single day, and we'll come up with the solutions for these 5 projects. And if it's something that you're interested in, I'm going to come up with these challenges on a weekly basis to keep us challenged and to keep us motivated with learning and understanding these Python and different types of web applications. So it's just for our practice ground to help make us better programmers and better skilled applications developers in this field. So if it's something that interests you, do consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like this video, leave a like, and do come back to this video in a day or two to see to find out all the links for the GitHub account for this particular video. So with that, I come to the conclusion of the video, and I hope you take care, you stay safe, stay healthy, and stay motivated. Take care. Bye-bye.